Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11, 10 no audio device is installed error. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Sound Settings. Right-click Check Show Disabled Devices, and also check Show Disconnected Devices. Right-click your device, click Enable, click Set Default, click Properties. Click Levels tab, change to maximum, click Advanced tab, uncheck Applications take exclusive control of this device. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound and Game Controllers, right-click your audio device, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.